Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Bolex Repair Philippines. In dealing with many customers who are selling Bolex cameras, and it's generally film students and other filmmakers who are buying the Bolex cameras, one thing that I've found in dealing with sellers is that they generally do not even know how to open a Bolex camera. We're going to resolve that right now. So film students and other buyers of Bolex cameras, if you see one online, you want to buy it, here's what we're going to do. You can send them this video. Flip up this turn key on the door, locate it here, turn it to the left, push it in a little bit as doing so, then open the door. It's really that simple. To close it, of course, close the door, put your hands on the turn key, your fingers, push in the door a little bit, turn it to the right, then push down the turn key on the door, and there you are. That's how you open and close the door of a Bolex. Okay? Hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.